Every year we see more cars on the road. With all the different manufacturers, makes and models, how does Klarius actually keep up with this demand?
Well, we're always developing new products. It's a critical part of the business.
How does this actually work then?
Well, in the company we've got a dedicated team of over 20 specialists that's looking at all the marketing and researching and developing products to have them available at the right time.
So with all this research, what type of things do the technical specialists look into?
Well, first of all, we look at the market and the applications, and we review all the different makes and models available on the roads, and then we catalogue the products and we try and determine the right time to develop and launch and have them available.
So is this something we do just for the UK market?
Well, although we're in the UK as a manufacturer, we're actually a European presence, so we look at all the different European countries and markets and try and take that as a holistic picture to make sure we've got the right parts when they're needed.
In order to make sure we've got the right parts when they're needed, when do actually Klarius choose to launch the products?
Well, once we've decided to develop the products, it's really important. We want to be first to market and have that product available. We look at the application and we have the parts ready and developed in time when they're needed.
So to keep up with all the different makes and models, how often do we release new to range products?
We're working on new parts all the time. We're currently releasing around 30 a month to keep on top of demand.
And to go back to the question then, how does a mechanic make sure they can always source an exhaust?
Well, if you specify Klarius, we'll make sure we've got the parts available when you need them.